This is actually one of my favorites, at least here in North America. Let it pop up, give it a minute. And you'll see you're able to set your units, okay? And here's the thing right here, available distance units. This is typically locked out from the factory. So you have, if you bought a bike in the United States, it will only allow you to have miles per hour and the imperial measurements. By coming here, selecting this, now you can have only kilometers, only miles, or obviously the best choice is going to be kilometers and miles. So you're crossing borders. I've crossed the Canadian border, I believe, 6 times this year. Makes it nice. We come here, you have your max speed display. If it matters to you, you can override that, jump it up. You have startup animation is actually available in a couple of different places. One is here. So we have all of the different choices. That's your factory GS screen if you're on a GS like I am. My favorite for me is the BMW Motard. I don't know if I said that right. We'll put it on R and let it come up here in a minute, and we'll show you that in another video. Okay, so as we talked about just now, you can do the startup animation here. I tend to call it the splash screen. Let's back out of here, get back to the main coding functions. And this is under, look, the breadcrumb here at the top, so you know where you're at. You're in instrument cluster service functions configuration. If you look down here, you're going to have startup animation. And now you have all of the available different startup animations that you could possibly use. Okay, cancel that. As you noted during the video, we did change the startup animation, or is what I call the splash screen. Let's take a look and see what that's going to look like. There we go. Probably not what I'm going to keep, but pretty cool nonetheless. And it seems like I always need gas.